Okay, so once we've entered your information for your client or your business, your website into the back end of our Localyze, which is tied into Yext, you'll get an email so you can have control over your dashboard. Now, this is only on the Yext package. It's not on all the other 350 and whatever citation plans. So click to sign into Localyze. It'll make you come up with a password, and then you'll be able to log in. Once you're in, you'll see your locations. You may have one, you may have several. This dashboard is good for you for 25 days. Then that location is removed from our system so that Yext doesn't continue to bill us month after month. Yext has a one-way API with all these directories, which means whenever we enter information, or whenever you come in here and edit change the information, whatever, it syncs to all these locations, and then they can't retract it, right? All the directories will only allow them to push, and it says that on the Yext website. So you don't have to worry about once we remove it, they disappear. You can click that listing button that I just clicked, and you can see all the different listings that you're on, your company's on, or it'll say processing or whatever. You can view the listing. This guy's already on Amazon Alexa, Apple. These are some very powerful, high-end, high-trusted directory listings. You want to go in here and add additional categories. We're going to select the primary for you, and if we get it wrong, no big deal. Just edit, trash it, pick another. You can pick, I think, up to 5. Pick as many as you can get to populate and make sense for your business, okay? Make sure your address is correct. Let me refresh this. Make sure your address here is correct on your GMB and your website. Make sure your map pin is dropped on the business. If you don't like it, you can move it with your mouse, with your cursor. Grab 2 fingers on your screen. If you got a touch, you can move it around. This one here is really cool. We use this as a clickable link. So you can use this as an anchor. You can again change it to whatever you want. It links right to your client's website, but change it to your main keyword. Change it to whatever keyword you want to show. In all 72 of these directories, there'll be a clickable anchor link that goes right to your client's website. Very powerful. No other citation platform will let you do that. You can also add all this other stuff, directions or description hours, whatever. I usually don't, but it's up to you. You'll have access to this for 25 days, like I said, and anything you put in here will be pushed. So make sure everything you want to be set is done way before day 25, okay? Because it'll take a couple of days to sync everything once you make a change and you hit save. So be sure you scroll to the bottom and hit the save button. Actually, I think each section saves its own, yeah. So once you hit edit and change it, it's saved, and then it's beginning to sync. So I hope that makes sense. Any questions, just email Localyze or pop it in the group.